Did you know the world's most wanted drug lord escaped maximum security prison through a mile-long tunnel that rivaled professional mining operations? On July 11, 2015, Joaquin El Chapo Guzman was serving time in Mexico's most secure facility, Altiplano Federal Prison. But beneath his cell, teams of workers had been operating in 24-hour shifts for months. They were building something extraordinary. A sophisticated tunnel system complete with PVC piping for ventilation, electrical wiring for lighting, and steel beam reinforcement. The tunnel stretched an entire mile underground, even featuring a motorcycle track for rapid transport. When guards discovered his empty cell that Saturday night, they found the entrance hidden perfectly beneath his shower floor. The engineering was so advanced it shocked investigators. El Chapo had vanished through one of the most elaborate prison escapes in history,